The question of the day is, how far will this crusher crush this truck down? That's the question of the day. Let's go ahead and do a walk around real quick like on this baby. Jesus Christ. Got an old one right here, guys. 1968 Dodge D200. The last time anybody seen one of these things here. Do not see them often. I'm surprised to see this one right here. Really, really am. Like I always say, Ronnie, he knows where to get them from. That's all I can tell you. Man, this baby right here, she is pretty solid right here. Pretty solid. She got them old gauges right there. Boy, this must be a non-AC cab here. Boy, how it is outside right now, it's twice as hot on the inside over here. I can tell you that for a fact. Look like she is old standard too. These big old boxes. So it look like they must have converted this to a little winch truck then. She got the winch right there. Nice little flatbed. There's a lot of metal on that baby is all I can say. A lot of metal. Really solid cab, that's all I can say. It's that old school metal right here. That 200 right there, baby. That hood looks all right. Looks pretty solid too up there on top. Y'all know what time it is. Boy. Let me ask y'all a question. When the last time anybody seen 1987 Hyundai Excel? It's the last time anybody seen one of them puppies. I got one here with some super clean ass interior. That's all I can say. That damn interior is super clean. To be for 1987, I tell you. The baby sit right there on that drain rack. Y'all check it out. Look at what we got here. 1988 Ford Taurus Wagon. Man, let's take a look at it real quick, like before I decide to break the motor out this baby. See, back in the early 80s and 90s, you could find these suckers everywhere. Now, half the time they don't even really exist anymore. Right here, it's all right. Ain't too bad of a shape. We're gonna make this pretty quick, guys. Front seats, they're all right. Back, it's all right. It's full of trash. Old Ford Wagon. Some crappy ass motors, all I can say.